What's the meaning of creation? Creation. Creation.
Creation. Creation. Creation refers to the act of bringing something into existence that did not previously exist. The result of creation can take many forms, including physical objects, artistic works, ideas, and even new life forms. Whether it is a painting, a piece of technology, or a new species of animal, creation involves using one's creativity and imagination to bring a new concept or form into reality. Ultimately, creation is a powerful force that allows individuals and societies to expand their knowledge, push boundaries, and shape the world around them.